Hi, I'm Chizzy, and I'm gonna be the light of the house when I'm in the house. If I'm big brother in this season, I think I'm going to freeze the housemates enough. Housemates will like me because I'm fun to be with, I have the vibe, cool with everybody. They will nominate me because stepping on my toes, I will give it to you. My strategy in the house will be being myself. That's the strategy. If I could eat one thing for the rest of my life, it should be chicken. Chicken, eat chicken all the way. One thing about my life, personality that will make me survive in the house is adapting to any situation I find myself. The one thing I will never be caught doing in the house is unnecessary gossip.